It's currently 5:50 in the morning and we have an hour drive to the airport to get to the airport that goes to Romania. So the travel day begins here. I'll see you guys on the way. Okay guys, I made it to Romania. As you can see, the airport right there. Hi vlog, we are in Rădăuț, Romania. My mom is driving right now. We're about to go to my grandma's house, which is in Straja. We ate dinner at my other grandma's house. It's about 4:30 and we're finally leaving.
And we are going without the GPS.
Îți place papă sau și?
In the yard right now on this little swing. So it's the first day in Romania and I just want to stay longer and just really absorb the language and kind of immerse myself. And I don't know how accurate that feeling is because it might change with the days, but we're gonna be here for a week. We'll see how that goes. But look, let me just show you my view right now. They also have a garden. It's gorgeous, but I'll be honest, I really do miss my family. If you're seeing this, Adeline, Jadine, or even James, I love you guys so much. You guys make my life so much better, and I'm so thankful for y'all. Okay, îndată. Hey guys, just as an update, I've actually just been sitting at this little table for the past, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how long I've been sitting here for. Maybe that's not a good thing, but I've been working on a YouTube video, which I'm so proud of. First you have to do the rough cut of all the videos that you want to use, and then you want to add all like the cinematic elements like the overlays, effects, and filters to make it like what you want, and then also the text. And I did that and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like in love. Like before that I looked at it and I was like, after I added everything I was like, this is amazing. This is crazy because I'm literally sitting in front of a camera. It's different when you're on your phone, but right now like the setup, I got my laptop. My laptop is literally running on horsepower. Like it's really struggling right now. Oh, download complete. Is it gonna show up? But yeah, I'll probably go outside. I need to probably move my body some more because I've just been here all day. But that's the update, and I'm so happy and I'm so proud with what's gonna come out. You guys are gonna see it first before you're gonna see this video. Ah! I feel like such a YouTuber. This is so funny. I guess it's a full circle moment. I do need to do some walking. Maybe it's good to take a break. I've been sitting here for 2 hours.
Look at this.
I wanted to pet him.
Oh my god, they smell so bad.
I like him.
E filmăm centrală. Da.
The sky is literally like cotton candy. It's so beautiful. I can't. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and we are in Radouts again. We're gonna be walking around. I actually really don't know what the plan is for today, but I'm just here for the ride. So I'll take you guys with me. I'm just trying to get content for you guys. You know dang well I would not be filming like this if there was people around. Hey guys, we actually went to the store and I just went crazy and just started buying all these things. I got a lot of chocolate, candies, just snacks, things that I can take. So our famous seasoning spice is this. It's called Gust de Gallina. Super good. Put it in soups, just anything you really want. My mom's favorite snack, it's called pufarin. And they're these like little beans. I honestly don't even know what they are. You know what? It might be like puffed rice, but it's kind of sweet and all that. And then we got these choco bananas. I honestly don't know if these are good, but my aunt, she said that they're very good. So I'm trusting her word. And then I got some Romanian tea. Haley, if you're watching, this is for you. Because we love to drink tea. I honestly don't know if this is good. It's called Chai de Fructe de Padure, which means fruit of the forest. So excited to try that. And this brand is pretty popular. I also got a lot of soaps. I don't know what it is, but I love bar soap. And they smell so good. And then I got so much chocolate. Like, you cannot go wrong with chocolate. And then I have a memory when my dad brought us to Romania super long time ago. He fed us these. So this is just purely for nostalgia. These are called pufulets, and it's literally only 3 ingredients. It's corn, right?
Pufulets, da, corn.
Yeah, so it's made out of corn, oil, and salt. And it's like my childhood snack. I haven't talked to you guys, but I've really just been in the car probably the whole day. But it's okay. We're outside getting the fresh air. Still so beautiful. I really want to go to the mountains. So this is how I dress for the day, just to relax, do my homework. And then this is my mom.
Also dress to relax.
Oh my gosh, it's coming. It's coming. Hey vlog. So I hiked up this mountain with my cousin. His name's Luchan. You want to say hi? No. But it's so pretty. And we're sweaty. And we did find a tick. It was in my hand. And I flung it onto my cousin by accident. It was just reflex. It's for my vlog.
You're doing vlog?
Mm-hmm.
Noi n-am mâncat prea mult azi. Stai să iau eu asta. Astea sunt chiroște de oameni săraci.
Good morning vlog. It's our last day. Oh, this lens is dirty. Good morning vlog. It's the last day here in Romania. We're gonna be leaving tomorrow, but I'll take you along for the day.
Forest.
Yes, ma'am. There, Mom. Oh, you're eating it?
Yeah.
My team in the back. Say hi, team. Mom! My mom is jumping the fence. Wow. Okay, so this is the traditional hats that they wear.
If it's raining and you're not prepared, this is making sure you're not getting wet. Especially it's like your hair, of course. Not the
Okay, turn around. Yes. This is sustainable fashion at its finest. How would you rate your experience, Miss Ada?
I like it here. It's peaceful, quiet.
Where'd you get that hat from?
From Bimi's mother-in-law, made it for us like a memory to keep us dry, especially the hair when it's raining.
That rhymed.
And sometimes it's like to keep you cool if you're too hot. Abi face cartofi ca la grătar în România la... Oh, wow, uite acolo ce să...
You know all those
Fierbinte.
videos that Bikul would watch?
Asta e baida huz. When I was a child and we were hungry, we'll get it like this, but this is a little bit too old. But it has like, do you see little dots on it? This, when it's fresh, and it has like a nice, you peel it, and it has a nice inside that you eat it with salt. And we'll eat a lot, we'll collect a lot of them, and then we'll sit down and eat to kind of not be hungry. Memories.
Hey guys, out here in Romania, in the streets of Romania, just walking, just finding our way back home. Hi guys, so it is officially the last, I guess, few hours in Romania before we go to Germany. It's going to be our 5th flight of the trip, and by the time we get home, we've taken a total of 7 flights in the span of 2 weeks, 15 days. A lot of traveling, but